Ebenezer Tye fought a bad guy, as brave as a lion, chucked off a bridge, he went flying. Ebenezer Tye fought a bad guy, as brave as a lion, chucked off a bridge, he went flying. Ebenezer Tye fought a bad guy, as brave as a lion, chucked off a bridge, he went flying. Ebenezer Tye fought a bad guy, as brave as a lion, chucked off a bridge, he went flying. Ebenezer, this is the tragedy of Ebenezer Tye. This is the tragedy of Ebenezer. This is the tragedy of Ebenezer. This is the tragedy of Ebenezer Tye. Ebenezer was brave and strong, always knew his right from wrong. This is the start of a story and a song. Ebenezer, Ebenezer, this is the tragedy of Ebenezer Tye. Poor John Ducker, sad and hairy, some people thought that he was scary. Stealing was how his family survived. Ebenezer, Ebenezer, this is the tragedy of Ebenezer Tye. Through the trees in the bright moonlight, two men fighting in the dead of night, chasing Tye and Ducker on the run. On the riverbank, scuffle had begun. Ducker stole the baton from PC Tye, struck him on the head and left him there to die. Falling in the river, what's he gonna do? Drowning in the river, who's gonna help him? Dying in the river, what will happen now? Ebenezer, Ebenezer, this is the tragedy of Ebenezer Tye. The police soon found and arrested the thief. He was guilty, was the jury's belief. Sentenced to death, what's he gonna do? Saying he is innocent, who's gonna help him? Hanging by the neck, what will happen now? Ebenezer in his police vest, we will remember what he did best. Put his life on the line, but sadly he has been put to rest. Poor John Ducker, you've a bad legacy. Last person publicly hanged in the county, but was he all bad? He was only trying to keep his family alive. Ebenezer Tye fought a bad guy, as brave as a lion, jumped off a bridge, he went flying. Ebenezer fought a bad guy, as brave as a lion, jumped off a bridge, he went flying. Ebenezer, Ebenezer, this is the tragedy of Ebenezer Tye. This is the tragedy of Ebenezer. This is the tragedy of Ebenezer Tye. This is the tragedy of Ebenezer Tye. And poor John Ducker, this is the tragedy of poor John Ducker and Ebenezer Tye.